Hey guys, it's Kay. Of course, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to talk about this wig from My First Wig. Okay, it's their 4-in-1 Pre-Max wig, meaning it comes fully equipped with a pre-plucked hairline, pre-cut lace, and pre-bleached knots. Now, it claims to be pre-styled, but I couldn't resist on adding my personal touch with my wand curls, okay, especially on kinky textured hair. And let me just tell you, this wig is glueless and it's perfect for those who want to skip the hassle of wig adhesives and keep those precious edges intact, okay, because we all need our edges. And the fit is snug and secure, making it easy to wear it without glue, especially for my small head individuals like myself. Now, I did add wand curls off camera just to save some time, but I will warn you, this wig is thick. I mean, thick. So get ready for some serious volume, okay, y'all? And a little tip, keep your distance from the heat because this wig will make you sweat. For real. I had to pull it up and do a cute little updo just to stay cool, but I have zero complaints about this wig, honestly. And I did have to trim the lace on the sides because they were a bit too long for my head. But yeah, please excuse the mess in the background, okay? This room is filled with toys and shoes, so the struggle is real. But let me know your thoughts in the comments section down below. And if you are interested in this wig, check out the links in my description box. Y'all, look at that. I freaking love what this is doing. This looks like my edges. Oh my god. Look at that. Who hairline is this? Mine. Like, and also, just a little heads up, I did film this video on separate days, so I do show you what the wig looks like the morning after I wore the wig. The wand curls left more of like a wavy look, and I had to go back in and recurl the hair. And on the second day I wore this wig, I did go in with some spritz to lightly tack down the lace, just so I can get like a better hold when I pulled the hair up for like my little updo look. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and these looks, and I will see y'all in my next video.
Nothing on me, and she never will, and she never will.
Y'all know I love a good little updo, and with this wig you can still wear it up and it just looks so good. I love this, y'all. So I have these little butterfly clips. I just feel like it looks so mystical and like fairy like that I'm going to stick them in here and see what happens.